Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
A wish? No, it's fine.
Why? Come on.
What did I tell you about talking to the accused?
To not to.
Well, quit your yapping.
If we all pitch in, we'll have it done in no time. Everybody ready?
We're ready.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
¡Hay que ir recto! ¡Ya hoy suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done. You're interested, you call me, you know where I am. Of speed.
Thanks, guys.
Take soldaat, dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
No!
Jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them 2 nasty lemons come.
Now let me do this.
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Same job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
ghost
Dad.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Fields around here.
Bingo fields.
Places to land.
The boat?
The USS Dwight D.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
What about thunder? You know, because thunder always comes after lightning. Kapow! The engine.
Oh no!
Duchess of Boxford.
No problem, sir. Yeah, a drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No.
I hereby dub the...
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
Fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, the gal left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you...
Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed. Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Get your rusty tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper.
Stu, come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
What a jerk.
Hear about the country show. I must hurry to Maithwaite Station. I know there'll be...
So, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluff.
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't...
scatola!
Good to have you back, honey.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't...
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le micheli non funzionano!
McQueen cannot win the last race. Lightning McQueen must be killed.